Watch this.
Yes.
This looks like a $1 million real commercial ad, but not a single camera was used. In this video, I'll show you how I turned Nissan ramen-style noodles into a cinematic ad using Flova AI, from the first brief to the final shot. First, we need a strong creative direction. For this project, I'm creating a cinematic Nissan ramen commercial built around one simple idea: transforming an everyday bowl of noodles into a restaurant-quality experience. Before generating any video, we need our references. Go to the official Nissan website and collect screenshots of the actual product packaging, logo, brand colors, and other important visual details. These references become our visual source of truth and help keep the product consistent throughout the entire commercial. Now, open ChatGPT and upload all the references we collected: the product, logo, packaging, characters, and visual references. Then, type this simple prompt: create a 40-second cinematic ad for Nissan ramen-style noodles with 3 to 6 second shots. Give an image plus video prompt for each shot, keeping the product and characters consistent. ChatGPT will turn those references and our idea into a complete shot-by-shot commercial plan. Now, we move to Flova AI to generate the visuals. What I really like about Flova is how flexible it is. You can create almost any type of content, from cartoons and anime to explainer videos, product ads, and short-form clips. Everything starts from one place. Just describe what you want in the generator, and Flova can handle the rest of the workflow. You can create videos, images, music, and voiceovers in the same workspace using a wide range of AI models. Another feature I really like is skills. Instead of starting from scratch, you can begin with a setup that's already designed to help you get great results. Inside the skills section, you'll find production workflows created by professionals for different types of content. You can pick one that fits your project, customize it, and make it your own. Next is Flova TV, where you can explore videos created by other creators, discover new ideas and styles, and get inspiration for your own projects. Now, let's start our project in Flova. Choose the Seedance 2.5 video model, then paste the complete script that ChatGPT generated. This will give us the full creative direction and shot structure we need to start generating the commercial. Now let's set up our project in Flova. First, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio to give the commercial that cinematic, professional look. Next, upload the product and brand references we collected earlier. These references help Flova keep the packaging, logo, colors, and product details consistent. Now, let Flova turn our script into a complete storyboard. Before generating the final video, go through every shot carefully. If the chef's appearance changes, the product gets distorted, or any scene doesn't look right, simply regenerate that shot until everything matches. Once every shot looks consistent, generate the final video.
Yes.
And that's the workflow: brief, references, storyboard, revisions, and finally, a complete cinematic commercial. If you want to try Flova and create ads like this yourself, check the link in the description. Flova is sponsoring this video, and you can use my link to explore the platform and get the offer mentioned below. And I'll see you in the next one.